This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove someone from a group chat on Snapchat. So if you created a group and if you have a bunch of members in your Snapchat group and now you want to remove someone from your group, follow these simple steps and the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Go ahead and launch Snapchat. Open chat, open the group, tap on the group name, tap on the group profile photo at the top left, and here you will get group members. Now tap and hold on the member whom you want to remove. Tap on remove from group, remove, and this is how we can remove someone from a group chat on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.